Ryobi's brushless technology unlocks the true potential of our cordless tools. Without brushes generating friction as in traditional motors, Ryobi's brushless motors can more efficiently turn energy into power, performance, and runtime. Working together with the brushless motor's intelligent electronics, our max power lithium plus batteries provide the optimum power output, giving you exceptional cordless performance. Cordless convenience meets petrol power. Mow for longer, through even the toughest grass. Vacuum leaves with ease, and clear large areas quickly. Cut through timber with the performance of petrol tools. Blast off the toughest dirt, anywhere, anytime. Be prepared for any weather with brushless technology. Ryobi's brushless technology. More power, more performance, no compromise.